Why is international space law so hard to enforce? Have you ever wondered why international space law seems so challenging to put into action? It's a fascinating topic that involves many layers of complexity. Let's break it down. First, we have to consider the treaties that govern space. The Outer Space Treaty, for example, was created many decades ago. It contains vague definitions that leave room for interpretation. One major issue is that it does not clearly define where outer space begins. This lack of clarity complicates questions of sovereignty and jurisdiction. Different countries may interpret these treaties in ways that suit their interests, which can lead to violations of others' rights. Next, we see the rise of private companies in space. International space law mainly governs states and their activities. However, many private companies are now launching satellites and conducting operations. These companies often operate outside the direct accountability of international treaties. This creates gaps in enforcement. Without a central authority to regulate private activities, companies may find ways to sidestep international norms. Another factor is the rapid advancement of technology. New developments in space technology, like autonomous satellites and artificial intelligence systems, are moving faster than the legal framework can keep up. This creates new risks, such as potential collisions or harmful interference. The increasing number of satellites in crowded orbits makes it even harder to monitor compliance with existing laws. Additionally, states are responsible for the actions of their nationals and entities operating under their jurisdiction in space. This means that enforcement relies heavily on domestic laws. However, these laws vary greatly in strength and how well they are enforced. This inconsistency can lead to uneven application of international obligations. For astronauts and space missions, these challenges create a complicated legal environment. The treaties they operate under may not fully reflect the current technological landscape or the presence of numerous private operators. This uncertainty can impact operational planning and international cooperation. To improve enforcement, we need clearer legal definitions and updated treaties that address new technologies and the role of private actors. Stronger domestic regulations would also help. Some experts suggest creating an international regulatory body with enforcement powers. Until such changes are made, the combination of outdated laws, jurisdictional challenges, and rapid technological advancements will continue to make international space law difficult to enforce.